in the university at it again. Yeah, I'm weary. I had to get this video up and out so that the people can know what's going on. They have jacked my video up on Facebook, corrupted my data, so I had to come to a platform that was a little bit more protected. Because I do believe YouTube is owned by Amazon, we have a little bit more lawful protection, seeing that Amazon has more wealth than the Central Intelligence Agency. As I said before in the previous video, to the excuse me while I make sure y'all good. I'm talking to the Central Intelligence Agency. I'm letting them know that I do not have any combative intentions, but we are watching them watch us. All of our administrators have agreed to disseminate the information everywhere, every platform, social media platform on the face of the planet, every data stream, every positronic brain, every underground news station. We will not cease to deliver all the information concerning the sciences, the technology, the practices, and the atrocities committed using the intelligence that you possess. After which, we thought to put online a lawful document. Today, that particular lawful document is fitting for me to do this. Has to do with the laws that govern the New York legislature. Now, as it stands, these particular laws, after put into effect, cannot be rebutted, as they were made by the Assembly. And hopefully, I know I got them in here somewhere. Maybe I don't. I'm just updating you to see how this works. I don't know where I put that legislature. Go find it. It's probably downstairs in the lab. Being in Southern Carolina makes me feel good. We're going to be giving you some lawful information. Our administrators are in multiple republics. Hobbs, New Mexico. I could be there in any given time. Southern Carolina. I could be there. Northern Carolina. Anywhere that Hobbs is, that's where we are. As a corporate entity, we maintain absolute jurisdiction. That is the ability to say law. No one has the ability to say law over us except the God that we choose and our own moral conscience. If anyone has the ability to say law before us or over us, over our affairs, they are free to step forward. They do so at the risk of claiming their God, and should their conscious mind do that, surely they will see who God is. This is Uniform Direct Trust Act. I'm delivering this unto you because all of my state administrators need this. That is drafted by the National Conference on Commissioners of Uniform State Laws, and by it approved and recommended for enactment in all states. Now notice, at its annual conference meeting in its 126th year, San Diego, California, July 14th through July 20th, that is 2017, with prefatory notes and comments. Now that's the first. Copyright 2017 by what? Or who, excuse me? National Conference of Commissioners on Uniform State Laws. Oh, so commissioners have enacted this document into law. You're going to want this teaching. That was in 2017. This is in 2016. And this is a lawful document that is connected to what I just read. And that is to say, New York Trust Law for the 21st Century, the proposed New York Trust Code and New York Uniform Direct Trust Act. Estate planning. Hear this. Estate planning. Council of Eastern New York Incorporated.
Enrique, please go to the computer room. Enrique, please come to the computer room. Thank you.
Excuse me for that interruption. That is January 2018. Albany Law School. Then we have final report on the EPTL SCPA Legislative Advisory Committee's 6th report. You're going to want this teaching. Now, we delivered the information to you. If you source the information for yourself and you studied the documents, you will be well versed in updated trust law. Updated trust law that is from the legislature themselves. You want that because holding those who profess to administrate law, even though they administrate legalese, accountable to their own legalese practices. That is to say that you are holding them to the highest standard of conduct. That is their word. With that being said, I want to let you know that we have this particular document for you. That is 90 pages of trust law. Not trust law, excuse me, a 90-page trust that you can use for your own benefit. We're offering beneficiary position in our state. Indy University is a educational institution. It is founded on indigenous principles and it is enforced by ecclesiastical law. That is to say that all governments of the world have agreed that infringing upon religion is a gross crime. I will be back after I take a power nap. And when I come back, you're going to get updated commercial law and codes for administrating your estate. Now, because the science of government is in our blood, genetically speaking, I know it's not too becoming for you to research another human being. You should know thyself. But you should also know those to whom you are connected. Researching anything that has to do with the Hobbs Corporation will give you insight into what we own, what we're doing, and what type of wealth that you'll be a beneficiary to, should you accept beneficial interest. 49 beneficiaries we are looking for. We maintain 51% of the voting stock for our estate. We're going to take all 49 members' bank bonds, also known as COLB, and we're going to put them on the stock market. When we do that, then globally, the net worth of all of the administrators will be able to be traded on the stock market. That is a real secure party credit. We will be crediting the world with our net worth. Where did our net worth come from? I've preached it for almost a year and a half now. That is the monetized wealth of your land and all that is in it and all that it produces. Don't forget that you are part of the Wabanaki Confederation. If you have Indian blood, we are listed as an endangered species. I already put on the court record the truths and the facts in the Federal Southern District of New York Court. They have our information. All know what will happen should anything happen to the settler. That is Genesis Bay. Peace and Peace and praise to you. Love you very much. Talk to you soon.